This is called the Hydrafacial, and it's an awesome medical grade facial that helps clean out the pores, it helps hydrate the skin, it helps exfoliate, stimulate collagen. It's just a really great way to get your skin cleaned up and prepped for events or just as your daily kind of maintenance. It helps your products go in better. We're just starting to lay the solution down, get the skin nice and soft so that the stuff will start to come out of the pores and the dead skin will start to loosen up and exfoliate off.
So the Hydrafacial can be done on the neck and chest as well, you said?
Yes, it can. It can be performed on the neck and the chest. The next step is applying your peel solution. So you can use different strengths of peels depending on what you and your esthetician talk about. But this is more of your brighten and your tighten. It's not going to cause any flaking or downtime. The tingling is very minimal. It's very comfortable. It's just to also help loosen up the dirt and debris in your pores so that the next step can clean it out.
So now we're on step 3 of the treatment. What are you doing now?
Now I'm using a salicylic acid solution and a different tip that has a little bit more grit to it. It's a little bit more of an aggressive tip. It's also smaller. It helps get into these pores and these finer areas around the face. I also bumped the vacuum pressure up just a little bit because that helps pull the stuff out of the skin more. So this is where you would just really be cleaning out the skin and the pores, exfoliating that top layer of dead skin, cleaning out any blackheads and blemishes. You can do extractions at this point because the skin is nice and soft and that acid has really helped loosen everything up. So we spend a lot of time extracting the skin. I can move the vacuum pressure based on the patient's sensitivity or their skin type and really customize the treatment. This is a step right now that is really beneficial to teens with acne and adults, but particularly because I can turn the vacuum pressure up and get this little tip just to really suck things out of the skin. And if you have blemishes and congested skin that really needs work, now's the time to get in and get your skin cleaned up with this procedure. The procedure takes about 50 minutes to complete from start to finish. We like to start by prepping the skin with a dermaplane. At Maffi clinics, we find that it's the best way to get the full treatment. You get your skin free of the little peach fuzzies. You get the top layer of the epidermis prepped and ready for the treatment. So that takes a few minutes of your first part of your procedure, and then we go right into the Hydrafacial. No, there's no downtime. In fact, it's a great way to prep for an event. It's very popular for red carpets and weddings, graduations. Gives your skin a really great glow. It's super clean and hydrated skin looks glowy and young.
We're into the 4th step of the procedure. And what is that?
This is Derma Builder. It's a serum that's a peptide. It helps with the areas that crease, so we like to do it around the fine lines of the eyes, the brow, and the mouth area. This is the final step of the solutions, and this is a serum that puts all that hydration back into your skin, so we spend a lot of time really working this product into your skin. It has hyaluronic acid in there, it has your antioxidants for the environment. Hydrafacial uses these patented vortex tips for their solution penetration, and it helps swirl the product into the pores and around the skin to help really clean it out and push that product deeper into the skin. The handpiece has one tube that's pushing in the clean serum and then one tube that sucks out all of the dirty stuff. There's a tank at the back of the machine that has all the dirty skin and dirty product in there, which is always fun to see what we got out of your skin.
So how long do you use the red light therapy for?
We use the red light therapy for about 6 minutes per quadrant. So it's about 12 minutes total because I have the 2 paddles. So we basically divide the skin in half. We're finishing with a hyaluronic acid serum that has her antioxidants in there. It'll just seal off the last bit of this treatment and polish off her skin with all this hydration. I really recommend that anytime you have any kind of treatment that you just pay attention to your sun exposure. We did use an acid on her face today and we exfoliated that top layer. So she would be a little bit more sensitive to the sun if she were to go golfing or hiking or swimming, so she should wear a sunscreen, of course. I think it's always rewarding to see the solution that has come off of your skin and everything that we've pulled out of your skin.
So should that, in a perfectly clean face, be clear?
No, actually everybody's going to be able to get some stuff off of their skin. Even if you came in last month, we would expect to get some debris off of your skin and out of your pores.